In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone in Splitwise. Blocking someone in Splitwise can be really helpful if you no longer want to share expenses, receive notifications, or be contacted by a specific person through the app. Maybe it's someone you no longer live with, a person you don't want to see in your contacts, or just someone you don't want to interact with financially anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to manage your block list with confidence. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and log in to your account. Once you're on the main Splitwise page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might appear as your initials, a profile picture, or a simple user icon depending on your setup. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. From that menu, select the option labeled Your Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various preferences related to your Splitwise profile. On the account settings page, scroll until you see an option called Manage Your Block List. This is the section where Splitwise lets you control who you've blocked and add new people to that list. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Block List. This will open a dedicated area where you can see any existing blocked users and a field to add a new one. To block someone new, you'll need the email address associated with their Splitwise account. In the field provided, carefully type the email of the person you want to block. Take a moment to double check the spelling, since Splitwise uses this email to identify the correct user. If you enter the wrong address, you may not block the intended person. Once you've entered the email correctly, confirm the action according to the prompt you see on screen. After you do this, that person will be added to your block list. They will no longer be able to interact with you on Splitwise, which can help keep your experience in the app more private and comfortable. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to the same Manage Your Block List section to review or adjust the list. And that's all you need to know to block someone in Splitwise.